An appeal now from fishers based at a beach in southern Clarendon for help with markets for their lobster catch. The seafarers say they have had unexplained good luck catching lobster since the passage of Hurricane Beryl, but now they can't sell it. Dwayne Anderson reports.
Fish for sale, a sign that's almost redundant in these parts because fishermen and vendors in Farquhar's Beach have very little fish to sell. For some reason, the fish stock at sea is low, but there's an abundance of lobster.
No fish, just lobster. Because maybe we catch 1 5 pound of fish on the gas sea. We catch 3, 4, 500 pound of lobster.
The fishers explain the lobster stock exploded in the waters off the coast of southern Clarendon after Hurricane Beryl. But these seafarers of decades cannot explain the development.
Why is it that after Beryl there's so much lobster? What do you think caused that?
You know, say it look like I stand bring it here. Look in the area I run before, but it's time bring it here and bring enough up on the bank pan way.
This boat, Cutting Edge, has just come in from sea. And like several boats that came in this morning, it came in with several loads of lobster. The problem is they have no market. Right now, a pound of lobster sells for around $700, $800, which is very cheap. It is so cheap, I may even buy some myself.
Sometimes them sell it like for little and nothing. And the price is good because most people sell it for like $800. We don't like some market for it. Like even some of the hoteliers, them if they can come in and come buy some from we. Because sometimes when the men them catch it, they go to Olababia or they go to Rocky. You know, it's expensive sometimes for them to charter a vehicle for carry. And them don't get much for it when them go up there.
We don't have no market like that. Right? Them have to bring it to Olababia or Rocky Point.
And how much is it to take it there? Like when I go on boat and I drive car, how to reach that far?
You have a charge a car for $5,000 and $7,000 to carry a couple pound of lobster. I'm more money and see a couple of lobster than long yai and charge you more.
We have to drive around and sell it to sell, so that looks up some market to get some self. Because you no few in fishing now and them get better and better in it. Because GPS system and everything and them go on and them survive good. But we want to sell, we want something to sell. Back in the 80s, 90s to 2000, lobster sell like a wow. We are big people big if we buy lobster. Now we can't get a pound sale.
The fishers say they want some sort of partnership with the state or a corporate entity that could help with markets for their lobster catch. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.